Finding safe and reliable public Wi-Fi can be challenging, and constantly purchasing new SIM cards with hotspot capabilities can get very costly. If you're a seasoned traveler, you know that even the best hotels and Airbnbs are often plagued by spotty overcrowded Wi-Fi networks. For these reasons, investing in a good portable router is one of the most cost-effective ways to stay connected on the road. There are many products available to choose from best wireless travel router, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best wireless travel router from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GLNET GLAX 1800 Travel Router. Kicking off our list is a top-rated travel Wi-Fi router that we consider to be the best on the market today. Boasting Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, this high-tech dual-band router can connect to up to 120 devices simultaneously and offers a faster and more secure connection than its competitors. The GLAX router also offers a long list of advanced wireless features, including a dual-band Wi-Fi speed of 1800 megabits per second, easy file sharing, built-in ad filtering, and network security software, and a repeater to convert a public Wi-Fi network into a private one. The pre-installed OpenVPN client also makes this device compatible with over 30 different VPN providers. Measuring just 5 inches wide and weighing in at 8.5 ounces, this convenient router combines a powerful connection and impressive performance with a portable design. Number 2. GLNET GLNET 1300 Little Travel Router. Another wireless travel router from GLNET with an affordable price tag. This pocket-sized device is a great budget-friendly alternative to the GLAX. Although the specs on this router are not as extensive as its more expensive counterpart, it still offers a slew of impressive features that are likely to fully satisfy the connectivity needs of most users. The Barrel router can simultaneously connect to up to 40 wireless devices, and users can take advantage of impressive dual-band Wi-Fi speeds, reaching up to 867 megabits per second. With 256 MB of storage space and OpenVPN and WireGuard pre-installed, the device offers a competitive amount of storage space, security, and versatility. Physical features include 3 Ethernet ports, USB port, and a power port, as well as 2 antennas that fold down for convenience and portability. Number 3. Netgear Nighthawk M14 GLT Wi-Fi Mobile Hotspot. For a reliable portable router that doubles as a convenient mobile hotspot, consider the Netgear Nighthawk M1 Wi-Fi router. This compact dual-band device comes unlocked and can be used with all major cellular providers, but works best with AT&T and T-Mobile data plans. To use, simply purchase a micro SIM card and a data plan from your provider, insert the SIM card into the device, and take your fast and secure wireless connection with you wherever you go. Although this model comes with a slightly higher price tag than most, it boasts an impressive 5040 mAh battery that can last up to 24 hours, and it is consistently regarded as one of the best routers for travel with LTE hotspot capabilities. It also features USB-A, USB-C, and an Ethernet port, and can double as a convenient portable charger for your mobile devices. Number 4. TPLinkase C750 Wireless Portable Nano Travel Router. Wrapping up our list is a budget-friendly option with a sleek and portable design, an affordable price tag, and high-tech features that make it one of the best routers for travel currently on the market. This impressive device is super small and lightweight, making it the perfect choice for those in need of a pocket-friendly option that they can bring anywhere. The dual-band Wi-Fi is strong and fast and works perfectly with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz devices, including Chromecast adapters and Amazon Fire Sticks. There is also a convenient USB port for charging and file sharing, and TP-Link offers customers a 2-year warranty and unlimited tech support. Number 5. GLNET GLNET 300 NV2 Wireless Pocket VPN Router. If you're looking for a more affordable option, this pocket-friendly travel router sells for just over $30 and comes with all of the essential ports and features. Offering 128 MB RAM and 16 MB flash ROM, the small but powerful device boasts a large storage capacity. On the sides of the router, you'll find one WAN and one LAN Ethernet port, a power port, and a USB port. This sleek mini router also comes with an OpenVPN client installed, making it automatically compatible with over 30 VPN providers. USB cable and an Ethernet cable are included with the router, and GLNET offers a generous 1-year warranty, making this both an affordable and low-risk option. It is important to note that this router supports 2.4 GHz connections only, and does not identify 5 GHz networks. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.